For this video, as you can see, I had to use my camera tripod to mount the leveling device, the Hupar laser leveling device. So it's either one or the other, so I'm gonna have to hand film this one. So this is how you find the level of your deck. All right, you level your Hupar. This one has the 360 laser, and you can see here where it's marked, where the laser's at, and I went around and marked where the laser was at, because once we move the laser out of the way, you won't be able to see it, obviously. But so I've marked them all. You can probably see the laser on some of these. If you look closely, I can't see the laser on that, but you can. Oh, there it is. You can see it there a little bit. The trick is, so we did that all the way around. We've marked all the posts all the way around. And over there, and where we got to connect to the deck here, we marked it. This center section is coming out. We're not marking it. So to level this deck, so the new line of thinking is for every 10 feet you want to drop the deck 1/2 of an inch to keep this, so the water will run off the deck. You don't want the deck to be level, you want it to have a grade to it. For this short deck, we're not really going to concern ourselves about it, but it will have a drop off because that original deck is not level. It actually comes up about 1/4 of an inch on this corner. So what I did, I went over here to the lowest point. I put the laser line on the lowest point on the deck here on both sides, and I lowered the laser line, which it turned out to be this point here, to this bottom part of this deck here, right there. And that was the lowest point of the whole grade, the original deck. And so what it means is it's going to be level here all the way across, and here it's going to have like a 1/8 of an inch high right here. And what we don't want to do is have it to where the water flows towards the inside of the deck. I'd rather the water float outside the deck, to the outside of the deck, not to the inside of it. So that's why I went with the lowest point.